Hello there, welcome back to the channel. Today we are gonna look at how to make extra income from home. We are looking at 2 side hustles, and if you stay with me till the end, I will give you all the strategies for maximum efficiency. My name is Marco, and the first website we're gonna look at today is called The Smart Crowd by Lionbridge. It is an American company, but it is available everywhere. Depending on how much time you spend on it, you can earn between 100 and 250 pounds a month, about $300. You're paid to complete tasks online. For example, you can get jobs where you rate the effectiveness of the ads in the client's websites. You can then be paid to assess how easy it is to navigate the client's websites. They also pay you to translate websites and audio files, so this is a great job if you know a second language. Other jobs involve evaluating the relevancy of the search results that come up when you Google a certain set of keywords or a certain brand. There are all sorts of jobs all the way to enter data for the customers. The requirements for this side hustle depend on the job, but you definitely need a PC, and sometimes you need a smartphone and a headset. Another requirement is for you to smash the like button.
Nope.
No, seriously, one of the requirements is to pass a few tests to prove your proficiency in English or any other language. The secret strategy for efficiency is to take a few tests and see how you get on. Remember, you can take as many tests as you like, but you can take each test just once. And as of any test in life, there is a chance of failure, but please don't get stuck. And remember that in the worst case scenario, you simply have to move on to another side hustle idea. To get started on the Smart Crowd, you need to sign up on their website. Link is in the description below. The second side hustle is online focus groups, and there are so many companies doing it. And depending on the number of companies you will sign up with, you can earn between 100 to 150 pounds a month, about $200 basically. You're paid to answer questions and complete tasks while under the scrutiny of an evaluator. I've been asked to use websites while voicing my thoughts on them. I've also been paid to try a few smartphone apps. And I also had to give my opinion on the strategy of an investment company. I've never been asked to interact with other participants, which is quite weird to me because it sort of defies the meaning of focus group to me. I've always dealt with evaluators, but I guess there are many tests you can take. The requirements for this side hustle are a PC or a laptop and a headset, because they want to make sure they hear you clearly. For some tests, they might require a smartphone or a tablet. To get selected, you will have to fill in a specific form for each test that will normally be emailed to you. So, my first secret strategy for efficiency is to sign up on as many focus group websites as possible. That will maximize the number of focus groups you can be selected for. But as a result, your inbox will be constantly spammed with emails, and I get about 20 to 30 emails a day. Which takes me to the second secret strategy, which is to redirect the emails to a specific folder of your inbox or to set up a dedicated email account. My third secret strategy is to update the autofill of your browser with your latest details. For example, your latest address, your phone number, etc. As most of the forms will be online, you can leverage the power of the autofill to get through them as quickly as possible, and as many as possible. To get started, I want you to Google focus group and sign up on as many groups as possible. I've left 3 links to 3 different companies, 3 for the UK and 3 for the US, in the description below to get you started. Which side hustle did you prefer? Let me know in the comments below. I will answer all of them. If you like these side income ideas, you will find another bunch of them when you click on this video. It's a playlist of videos that is specific to make money online with no investment. Thank you for your attention, and see you next time.